Hi foodies and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a wonderfully flavored Malvani fish curry. Let's see how to make it. Come on. I have a whole pomfret and I'm going to discard the fins and tail and clean and cut to desired size pieces. Let's go ahead and marinate it with turmeric and salt. We will apply this evenly and allow it to sit for 15 minutes. Until it marinates, we will make the masala paste. I have soaked the coriander seeds and the bedgi chilies for 30 minutes. You can even use other dried red chilies if bedgi is not available. Now the quantity of chilies depends on how spicy you like. We will first blend the coriander seeds and the chilies to make a paste. Perfect. Now we will make the masala with ginger, garlic, coriander leaves and grated coconut. Use stems also. At first we will blend these as is. Then blend to a paste with some water. Perfect. Keep this aside. Now we will first saute some chopped garlic and curry leaves for a nice flavor. No need to brown the garlic. In goes the prepared masala and we will saute this until the oil separates. Cover and cook this further until oil separates. Awesome! Do you see the oil on top? Now use hot water to cook the curry until the oil separates. You can adjust the amount of water as per your liking. We need to have the curry fully cooked before we add in the fish pieces because the fish cooks very quickly. Kokum for some tang to the curry. The curry is cooked and we will add the marinated fish. Mix very gently as the fish is very delicate. If you like my recipes, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon for such yummy recipes I post every week. Now fish cooks very quickly, so cook on medium heat. Now chilies are optional and looks like the fish is cooked. Looks great, right? Garnish and we are ready to serve this awesome Malvani fish curry with fresh steamed rice. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments below. As usual, thank you for watching and I'll see you next week with another amazing recipe. Until then, bye.